Camino North, at Oceanside, California, and I knocked those goons down. I knocked 2 goons and 1 henchman, but there is 1 henchman left, and now I'm going to put a fire alarm device on Penguin Henchman's ear. Let's put another device on the ear. Let's connect the wires. Okay, let's give it a test. Ha 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 ha. That was so cool and funny. Ha 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 ha.
Yo, Junior, how dare you put the fire alarm device on Penguin Henchman's ear? You know putting the fire alarm device on people's ear is not allowed to do that at all. People could hurt their ears while testing the fire alarm. Penguin Henchman used to be a character from Lego Batman the video game. That's it. I'm taking you home.
Junior, how dare you put the fire alarm device on Penguin Henchman's ear? He's one of the most characters from Lego Batman the video game. You know, putting the fire alarm device on people's ear is not allowed to do that at all. That's it. You are grounded for life. Go to your room now.